Imagine living a life of financial independence, free from the stress of debt and full of opportunities. Picture yourself waking up each morning knowing that you're in control of your financial destiny. This isn't a pipe dream, but a reality that can be achieved with a healthy dose of financial literacy. Understanding money, how it works, and how it can work for you is the cornerstone of financial success. It's about setting clear, achievable financial goals. It's about creating a budget that respects both your present needs and future aspirations. It's about saving wisely, not just stashing away pennies, but making your money grow. It's about investing smartly, using the power of compound interest to multiply your wealth. And it's about continuous learning because the world of finance is ever evolving. The journey to financial prosperity begins with a single step, and that step is setting clear financial goals. The first step toward financial success is setting clear, achievable financial goals. This is not just a statement, but a blueprint to achieving wealth and financial freedom. It's like setting a destination on your GPS before embarking on a journey. Without a clear destination, you're merely driving around aimlessly, wasting time and resources. Let's talk about the importance of setting financial goals. They are generally divided into three categories: short-term, medium-term, and long-term goals. Short-term goals are those you want to achieve in less than a year. These could be anything from saving for a vacation, paying off a small debt, or even setting aside money for the upcoming holiday season. These goals are stepping stones, helping you build good financial habits while giving you quick wins to keep you motivated. Then we have medium-term goals. These are financial objectives you want to achieve within 1 to 5 years. Maybe you're planning to buy a car, save for a down payment on a house, or start a business. Medium-term goals require more discipline and a well-thought-out saving strategy. But don't fret, the satisfaction of achieving these goals is worth the effort. Lastly, there are long-term goals. These are your big-picture financial objectives that you strive to achieve in 5 years or more. This could be retiring comfortably, buying your dream home, or perhaps building a financial legacy for your children. Long-term goals require patience, consistent effort, and smart investment strategies. Each type of goal contributes uniquely to your overall financial health. Short-term goals help you master budgeting and saving. Medium-term goals introduce you to the world of investing and wealth growth. And long-term goals teach you about wealth preservation and legacy building. Remember, your financial goals should be smart, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This way you'll stay focused, track your progress, and celebrate your victories along the way. With your financial goals in place, you're ready to create a budget that will guide your spending and saving habits. Now it's time to create a budget that aligns with your financial goals. A budget is not just a list of numbers, it's a tool, a map, guiding you towards your financial destination. It's like a financial GPS, taking you from where you are now to where you want to be. So let's set the coordinates. First, you'll need to track your income and expenses. This is the foundation of your budget. Knowing what comes in and what goes out is vital. It's like knowing your speed and fuel level when you're driving. You wouldn't set off on a long journey without checking these, would you? Next, categorize your spending. This gives you a bird's eye view of where your money is going. Think of it as the terrain of your financial journey. Are you spending too much on dining out? Or maybe it's those online shopping sprees. Knowing where your money is going allows you to make informed decisions and prioritize your spending. Now comes the adjustment phase. This is where you fine-tune your budget. If you're spending too much in one area, you'll need to cut back. Remember, every dollar you save is a dollar you can invest in reaching your financial goals. Here's a key point. Budgets are not set in stone. They are living, breathing entities that evolve with your circumstances. Got a raise? Great. Adjust your budget. Had a major unexpected expense? No problem. Adjust your budget. The trick is to stay flexible and adaptable. But here's the catch. A budget is only as good as your commitment to stick to it. It's easy to make a budget. The challenge is following it. It's like having a gym membership. Having it doesn't make you fit, using it does. So commit to your budget. Use it. Live it. Remember, a budget is not a restriction on your spending, it's a plan for your money. It gives you control, freedom, and confidence. It's a compass guiding you towards your financial North Star. A well-planned budget is your roadmap to financial success, but it's only as effective as your commitment to follow it. With your budget in place, you're ready to start saving wisely. Now let's talk about the importance of saving money. You know that old saying, a penny saved is a penny earned? It's more than just a quaint saying. It's a fundamental truth about wealth building. Every dollar you tuck away today can grow into more dollars tomorrow, thanks to the power of compound interest. So saving isn't just about hoarding cash, it's about setting the stage for your money to work for you. So how do you make saving a habit? Start by setting aside a small, manageable amount from each paycheck. It doesn't matter if it's only $5 or $10 at first, what matters is that you're developing a habit. Over time, as your budget allows, increase the amount you're saving. Remember, it's not about the amount you save, but the consistency at which you save. Next, let's talk about strategies for saving. One effective method is the pay yourself first strategy. Before you pay your bills, buy groceries, or splurge on that new pair of shoes you've been eyeing, set aside a portion of your income for savings. This ensures that you're making your future financial health a priority. Another strategy is automation. Most banks offer automatic transfers between your checking and savings accounts. You can set up a recurring transfer on the day you get paid. That way, the money goes straight to your savings account and you won't even have the chance to miss it. Finally, let's discuss the concept of an emergency fund. This is a stash of money set aside to cover the financial surprises life throws your way. These could be anything from an unexpected medical bill to a sudden job loss. Having an emergency fund provides a safety net and can keep you from going into debt when life throws you a curveball. By saving wisely, you're building a financial cushion that will protect you in emergencies and provide you with opportunities for investment. So let's get started on building that nest egg, shall we? Now that you're saving money, let's put it to work by investing smartly. When we talk about investing, it's not just about throwing your money into the first opportunity that comes along. It's about understanding the different types of investments and making informed decisions. There are three main types of investments: stocks, bonds, and real estate. Stocks represent ownership in a company, and they can provide high returns, but they also come with higher risk. Bonds, on the other hand, are like loans you give to companies or governments. They pay you back with interest and are generally considered safer than stocks, but the returns are usually lower. Real estate, meanwhile, involves purchasing properties either to rent out for a steady income or to sell for a profit later on. Each type of investment has its own set of risks and rewards, and it's crucial to understand these before jumping in. For example, while stocks can offer high returns, they're also subject to market volatility. Bonds are less risky, but the returns are also less impressive. And real estate, while it can provide a steady income stream, requires a significant upfront investment and comes with its own set of challenges like property management and market fluctuations. That's where the concept of diversification comes in. You've probably heard the phrase, "Don't put all your eggs in one basket." Well, that's essentially what diversification is. By spreading your investments across different types of assets, you reduce the risk of losing all your money if one investment doesn't perform well. It's about balance and spreading risk to maximize potential returns. Now let's talk about time. Investing is not a get-rich-quick scheme, it's a long-term game. The power of compound interest, that's interest earning interest, is truly magical, but it takes time to work its magic. So patience, young investor, is a virtue. Remember, it's not about timing the market, but time in the market that counts. Regular, disciplined investment, regardless of market highs and lows, often yields better results than trying to predict market movements. This is called dollar cost averaging, and it's a strategy many successful investors use. But perhaps the most important thing to remember is this: smart investing is not just about making money. It's about making your money work for you so you can achieve your financial goals, whether that's buying a house, starting a business, or retiring comfortably. It's about financial freedom and the peace of mind that comes with it. Investing can be complex, and it's okay to seek help. Professional financial advisors, online resources, and investment books can all provide valuable guidance, but ultimately the decisions are yours. You control your financial future, so start investing smartly today. Remember, diversification and patience are your friends. Understand the risks, make informed decisions, and let your money work for you. Smart investing is the key to growing your wealth and achieving your financial goals. The final step in our journey to financial success is continuous learning. This is the stage where the real magic happens. It's where you become the master of your financial destiny, by being the eternal student. Now, why is continuous learning so pivotal? Well, Imagine sailing a ship without a compass. It's the same when it comes to navigating the vast ocean of finance. The financial world isn't static. It's dynamic, ever-changing, and filled with trends and shifts that can make or break your wealth-building journey. Staying informed about these changes is not just beneficial, it's essential. So how do you keep learning and stay informed? It's simple. Read books. Yes, good old-fashioned books. From investment strategies to personal finance management, there's a wealth of knowledge waiting to be unlocked in the pages of a book. But don't stop there. Attend seminars. Listen to financial gurus, engage in conversations. You'd be surprised how much you can learn from the experiences of others. Their triumphs can serve as your guide, and their mistakes can serve as your warnings. And of course, in this digital age, online courses are a goldmine of information. They offer flexibility, allowing you to learn at your own pace in your own time. You can dive deep into specific topics or get a broad overview of various aspects of finance. Moreover, continuous learning doesn't just mean acquiring new knowledge, it also involves unlearning outdated concepts and relearning new ones. It's about fostering a mindset of adaptability, of being open to change. Remember, it's not the strongest or the most intelligent who survive, but those who can best manage change. And finally, don't forget to apply what you learn. Knowledge without application is like a ship without a sail. It won't get you far. So take what you learn and put it into practice. Experiment, make mistakes, learn from them, and grow. Remember, the journey to financial success is a lifelong endeavor, but with continuous learning, you'll stay ahead of the game. You now have the tools to get ahead financially and build wealth. This journey to financial success is not a sprint, but a marathon. A gradual climb to the top where each step counts. We have walked you through each of these critical steps, building a foundation to sustain and multiply your wealth. It's now up to you to take the reins of your financial future. Remember, the first step is to set clear, achievable financial goals. Understand what you want to achieve, whether it's buying a house, starting a business, or planning for retirement. Your goals are your North Star, guiding you through the treacherous waters of financial decisions. Once your goals are in place, it's time to create a budget. It's not about limiting your spending or living frugally, but about making informed decisions. Your budget is your financial blueprint, helping you allocate your resources wisely and keeping you on track towards your financial goals. But a budget alone is not enough. You need to save wisely. Saving is not just about putting away a portion of your income every month. It's about making your money work for you. It's about finding ways to increase your income, reduce unnecessary expenses, and maximizing your savings. It's about creating a safety net for unexpected expenses and opportunities. Then comes investing, the secret sauce to building wealth. Investing isn't about getting rich quick. It's about understanding the power of compound interest, the value of diversification, and the importance of patience. It's about making your money grow over time, creating passive income streams, and achieving financial independence. Lastly, never stop learning. The world of finance is constantly evolving, and so should your knowledge. Keep yourself updated with the latest trends, learn from the successes and failures of others, and continuously refine your financial strategies. Remember, knowledge is power, and in the world of finance, it's your most valuable asset. Each of these steps is a piece of the puzzle, bringing you closer to your financial goals. But remember, the journey to financial success is not a straight line. There will be ups and downs, successes and failures. But it's through these experiences that you grow, learn, and ultimately succeed. So take the first step today. Set your financial goals, create your budget, start saving, invest wisely, and never stop learning. Take control of your financial future and start building your wealth. The path to financial success is in your hands. If you found this video helpful and are ready to uncover the secrets to financial success, don't forget to subscribe.